Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician, and we are dealing with the subject of psychology and reviewing important topics for first BHMS homeopathic student. Our topic today is topic number 3, and it is discussion science versus philosophy. So let us talk about what is science. And science is defined as a knowledge attained through study or practice. It is a Webster's New Collegiate Dictionary, and science requires a kind of scientific thinking. Scientific thinking involves following. Number 1 is asking questions. Number 2, making observations. Number 3, creating an idea about it. Number 4 is testing the idea. And finally, we will form a conclusion. Let us define philosophy. What is philosophy? Philosophy, the terms comes from Greek word philosophia, which means love of wisdom. It is defined as philosophy is a study of general and fundamental questions about our existence, knowledge, value, reason, mind, and language. And philosophical thinking involves following steps. It is the first is to think logically, to be able to analyze and solve problems, to assess proposed solutions, and to express or write or speak clearly, attending the details. How the science and philosophy is related. Philosophy is a core discipline which deals with all the knowledges, and philosophy deals about the final truth. Science, whereas deals with the one type of knowledge featured by the scientific methods. Science deals about empirical truths. Let us further examine few fundamental facts about the science and philosophy. So we'll compare science and philosophy. So we'll see what is the definition about science. Science is a knowledge or a system of knowledge covering general truth or the operations of general laws. And it is obtained by tested through the scientific methods and is concerned with the physical world and its phenomena. Whereas the philosophy is, it tries to discover the nature of truth and knowledge to find the basic value and its importance in life. It also examines the relationship between humanity and nature and between the individual and society. What is the purpose of science and what is the purpose of philosophy? The purpose of science is to help produce useful models of reality, and the purpose of philosophy is to seek to understand the mysteries of existence and reality. What is the importance of science? Science has invaded every branch of modern life. The things that we use in our day to day life are mostly due to science only. And science has conquered the time and distance. Whereas philosophy helps us to achieve a deeper understanding of the social significance and general purpose of scientific discoveries and their technical applications. It gives richness of meaning to life. What are the disadvantages of science and philosophy? In terms of science, man has now become a slave of machines. His own creative power is gradually becoming weaker and weaker, and man has lost the essence of life. Whereas, from the philosophical point of view, we have no disadvantage as such. Therefore, science and philosophy have learned from each other since time immemorial. As a whole, philosophy and the science are equal partners, assisting creative thoughts in its explorations to attain generalizing truths. Philosophy does not replace the specialized sciences and does not condemn them. So, our conclusion is the science and philosophy both legitimately hold one of the key positions in their own right, and they are inseparable two ends of the same coin, inseparable sides of the same coin. Bibliography. For the preparation of this workup, we have taken help from these. Thank you very much for patient listening.